In this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable HTTP request on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we get started, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template. So if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links down in the description. Not only does this support the channel, but of course, it's also going to help you make the best Roblox game possible. Now, once your game is open, you need to look for a file up in the top left, of course, once you're on Roblox Studio. But go ahead and open this up, and in here, you're going to see an experience settings option right here. Open that up, and on the left hand side, find this little security tab right here and select it. You're going to see allow HTTP requests. Go ahead and tick that on, and then you have to hit save just like so. If you don't see that option, you can also go ahead and use the command bar. To do this, go up to the view tab up the very top. Just turn on the command bar, which is already on here for me. As you can see, it's down at the very bottom, and you just have to go ahead and I'm not going to paste it right now since mine is already on there, but paste game : get service parentheses quotation mark HTTP service quotation mark end : dot HTTP enabled equals true. As soon as you go ahead and do that and hit run or just hit enter after that, the HTTP request should now be enabled for your Roblox game. The process really is as simple as that. Once again, you could just screenshot and copy that code right there. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.